Hey guys, Julie here from JrXEBq. I'm back today with another quick tutorial on how to properly use tags on Society6. So tags are basically the same thing as keywords. So I recently kind of figured this out after reading their latest creative brief, which you can find on the Society6 blog. And it actually says right here, when tagging your designs, focus on your intent for the design and be precise with the tags you add. When possible, use single word tags. And if you do want to use more words, keep it to a maximum of 3 and use dashes in between the words instead of spaces. So that kind of like hit me over the head, and I was like, oh, okay, that's how I'm supposed to use tags on Society6, whereas on some other sites like Redbubble, I usually use more long tail keywords as well as single word keywords. So I've kind of been going back through and actually fixing some of my older designs on Society6. It's a really long process, but yeah, I've actually been doing that and it's been helping my work get found. So I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys today. So what it's basically saying is, let's just go into the Society6 search and kind of just demonstrate how this works. So let's say someone's looking for a pink elephant pattern. So we're going to search for that and see what comes up. So over here on the side, you might usually just see it like this, but if you hit this little plus here, you can see the 3 words that we searched for, and they're each like individually kind of placed, and you can, remove this word, and then it's just going to search for elephant pattern. It's going to, filter it that way. And you can see all these other keywords that come up. So you could basically, like when someone's searching, they might just keep filtering this until they find the design that they're looking for with the exact style or whatever, or like for kids and so on. So you can see how each individual word is actually really important in the Society6 search to help your designs get found. And if you had this as kids elephant pattern in one word, I guess it like wouldn't work properly. Like it's not going to show up properly in the Society6 search. So anyway, hopefully that makes sense to you guys. And you might have to kind of go through some of your older designs and fix the keywords. And you know what? That's something that you should kind of do every couple of years, is just kind of go back and look at your older stuff and see if there's any ways you can improve on them or improve on the keywords. And that's always a good idea to help you just refine your tags and your titles and your keywords and help you get found and more sales. So yeah, definitely check out these Society6 creative briefs because they're really helpful. I've mentioned these before. They mentioned like the trending themes and trending search terms. So, you can definitely like look at these search terms and make designs, or go back into your existing designs and use these when they're appropriate. So if you want more print-on-demand tips, I actually have a whole bunch of information on my website, which is julieyarndesigns.com, and this is my blog here. So you can see here I have a lot of blog posts on different topics, including how to increase your sales on Society6, and I talk about Zazzle and Redbubble and other print-on-demand sites. So definitely check that out. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.